very warm welcome to my dear students. In continuity of our chapter Computer Networks, today we will be discussing about cloud computing. Cloud, a very important term which revolves around us every day. So we must know this thing that what is a cloud? Is it a cloud that we see outside? No, it is not that. Let's begin with the cloud computing, a very important and informative part of your syllabus. Let's move. In this particular video and in this particular lecture, we will be discussing about definition of a cloud, deployment models, service models, characteristics of a cloud and various application areas of a cloud. But before moving further, let's try to understand that what is a cloud. We have heard and we have already learned this thing that the communication always happen between client and server. These two important things revolves around every time. One is a client and one is a server. And when we talk about the remote servers, so remote server means the server or the big computers which are not present in front of us. They are located geographically somewhere apart. So, what is cloud? Cloud refers to the remote servers. Yes, here we are talking about those servers which are not present in front of us. Cloud refers to remote servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and the databases that run on the server. That means it refers to a particular area, or it refers to a particular space in which we can run various software, on which we can run some databases, and on which we can run some important space, right? So it is a kind of a cloud. Now who accesses the cloud? Obviously we users, we end users, client computers accesses the cloud which is a part of internet, right? So cloud is nothing but a space. Yes, it is not just a space, it is more than the space that we will be discussing later on in this video, and you will get to know as we will move further. Now, I already said this thing that cloud is not just a storage space. We have oftenly heard about many clouds these days, for example, Google Drive, Amazon Drive, Dropbox. These all are the examples of the cloud because this is the place which is open for everyone. This is a kind of a computer, this is a kind of a servers created by a big companies like Google, like Microsoft, but they're not charging from us anything. They are providing a kind of a space on which we can store our data. So cloud is not just a storage space, but it is more than the storage. Now what this cloud actually helps to store? In the cloud, we can store and we can have an access to the servers, we can have an access to the softwares, we can have an access to the virtual desktops and the middleware. In later on slides, we will be discussing in the detail about like what is the middleware, what are the virtual desktop, and what I am actually talking about. Moving to the next very important part of the cloud, deployment models of cloud. Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? That means how we can use that particular cloud space onto the computer, right? Some space can be public, some space can be private, and some space can be hybrid. Now, moving to the next, what is a public cloud? As the name itself describes, public cloud. A public, that means which is visible to everyone. It is a kind of a space which is accessed by everyone. So public cloud is a cloud service offered to the multiple customers by the cloud provider. Fine. So this is a kind of a cloud service. ये एक ऐसी सर्विस है जिसको हर कोई एक्सेस कर सकता है. It can be accessed by user 1, it can be accessed by user 2, user 3 and user 4. Coming to the next cloud, and that is private cloud. A private cloud is a cloud service that is not shared with any organization. That is not shared by any organization. That means not an individual. This particular space is owned by only one single organization or individual. It is not like that somebody else will come and share your services, your data, your space. So this is a kind of a private space, right? And the person who is about to use it, that person has to pay a rent for it or something like that. Okay. At the last, we have a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but the mixture of public and a private cloud. That means we are using some services of the public cloud and some services of the private cloud. It is a computing environment that connects a company on-premises private cloud services and the third-party public cloud into single flexible infrastructure for running the organization applications and workload. So that means it is a combination of public as well as private cloud. So in this particular video, we have discussed only the definitions of the cloud and we have only discussed the deployment models, or you can say the various types of cloud we have all around us. In the later on sections, we will be in the next video. This is the first part of this cloud computing. In the continuity video, there I will discuss with you the service models of the cloud. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to see the next